Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Talks. So today I will be showing you how to apply for NATS, that is National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. So we will be discussing the step-by-step procedure to apply for the NATS. Also we will discuss who all are eligible for this NATS, then how to fill the form and complete the registration. So almost all service companies will ask for this NATS, like Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro. These kind of companies will ask for NATS registration. So we will be seeing how to apply, what are the documents required to apply for NATS, and where you can apply for NATS. So let's start the video without any further delay. You can subscribe to my channel for more such related informations, like I will be updating all information related updates in this channel. Also other company updates like salary, structure, training period, everything. So to apply NATS, go to any browser and type NATS. You will be prompted a first link, which is national registration link. So click on that link. If it shows like this, don't worry, just click on home button. It will be working properly now. So if you have already login credentials, then you can directly log into the portal. Otherwise you need to click on enroll button. After clicking this, you will be redirected to the application form. Here you need to do 4 steps. The first one is eligibility criteria checking, then the declaration, then updating the information, then proceeding to next. First, select whether you are already a student or an employee. So first you are applying, you need to select as a student. I am a student. Then it will load another questions, like wait for some more minutes, it is loading. Then here we need to select the state of your present area, like for example mine is Karnataka. Let's select Karnataka. Then it will ask for other details, like I have completed, like my graduation has been completed, so I have completed my graduation in engineering, tech or any other fields. Then select the year of passing, then through your regular or part-time or any other stream. Then you will be asking 2 more questions, like have you already done any training? If you have done any other training, you can click on yes, otherwise click on no. And it's asking whether you have any experience, then click according to your criteria. Then here you can see you are eligible for applying the NATS, and here are the some of the main and important mandatory documents. The first one is Aadhaar card, it is mandatory. Then a valid email ID and mobile number, which should be working conditions. You will be receiving a OTP, and then you should have a one passport size photo which should be below 200 KB. Then your Aadhaar number should be linked with the bank account, and bank account details like front page or a statement of the bank account. Then you need to have a provisional degree certificate of the BE or any other thing. Like if you don't have any provisional certificates, then you can apply 7th and 8th sem mark sheet here. All should be in a document, a PDF format. Here you need to enter your email ID and click on send OTP. You will be receiving a OTP to your email address to verify your email. Then enter that OTP and click on continue. Again you have to enter your mobile number and click on send OTP. Like that, same one more OTP will prompt to your mobile number. Then enter that OTP and click on continue. So after these 2 steps, you will be asked to enter your personal details. Like first you need to enter a name which should be matched with your any certificates like 10th or Aadhaar card. Then set a password for this username, like the password should be mixed of capital, small, numbers and special characters. So choose a password which is strong, and you should not disclose this password to anyone. It would be helpful again for login to the same portal. So just click on save and continue. So you have completed the first step. So you will be moving to the next step. Here you can see they have mentioned all the documents required and also what are the information required, like the USN registration number and all the other things here mentioned. Also there are the terms and conditions. You must read all the terms and conditions and accept it. Then click on agree and continue. Here also you can see your percentage of completion, like you have filled 25% profile now. So you need to fill all 100%, then only you need to save. Here you can see there are basic informations like your first name, last name, middle name, then your birth date, Aadhaar number. As I said, Aadhaar is a very important document. Then enter your date of birth. Then the Aadhaar card should be a PDF format and it should be less than 1 MB, and upload that Aadhaar PDF here. Then choose your community like SC, ST, OBC or anything. Choose the gender. Then all the basic information, you can know that. You can fill all the information here. After that, there will be a communication information. That means your present and permanent address. If your present and permanent address are same, then you can click on that checkbox and enter the only one address. So you need to fill all the important details here. And then there is a bank information. As I said, you need to select the bank name, bank account number, IFSC code and your branch name. And also you need to upload a bank passbook front page. If you don't have front page, then you can upload a recent transaction or the bank statement. Then click on save and continue. Next, you need to fill the education details. Here are two options like graduation after 10+2, that is after PUC. Then one more is graduation after your diploma. So after selecting your preferred education, then you need to fill all the informations like college name, what is the college university, and some of the important information which it is asking. So same for the diploma also, like if you select for 10+2, then you can select a 10th and PUC. So all the information you need to fill here and upload the qualification degree, that is provisional degree certificate. If you don't have a provisional degree certificate, then you can apply your 7th and 8th semester results, and it should be in a PDF format. And uploading resume is optional. You can upload it or else you can skip it. Then just click on save and continue, and also check all the information and click on save and continue. Now you can see your profile is almost completed 75%. Here you need to select your preferred of training. Like if you are applying for Infosys or any other companies, then no need to select any preferences, because after creating your profile, they will be guiding you what are the training they are giving. So if you are applying due to the company, then no need to fill anything. Here you can choose the preferences. Like as I said, if you are giving for company, no need to choose. Just click on the agree button, like check the box, and then click on save and preview. Once you click on this, all the information which you have filled before will appear here. Here you need to verify all the information. It should be correct, and if any mistakes are there, then go back to that section and edit your information. Check all the details like personal details, communication details, bank details, your graduation details, branch, college name, everything should be correct. After verifying everything, and if you got to know like all the informations are correct, then the last step is submitting the form. So at the end of this preview, there is an option for save. So check all the education details and click on submit button. Once you click on this, your application is submitted, and you will be receiving your username and password to your email address as well as your registered mobile number. And also after the 1 or 2 hours or on the same present day, you will be receiving a NATS ID which is verified by the government. If all the documents are correct, then it will be receiving in 1 or 2 days only. So if you got any other difficulties while applying this, you can ask me in comment section. If you have any other doubts, then you can ask me in Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Also you can download the application form, like click on save button. You will be downloading one acknowledgement kind of PDF. After that, click on close and continue. Here you can log in with the credentials and check your application status, whether it is pending or approved or verified. So that is it for today. This is the exact step-by-step procedure for applying NATS. I hope this clears you how to apply for the NATS. If you're still getting any difficulties or facing any issues while applying, you can ask me in comment section. Actually, site is working properly as of now, so it is better to apply now only. And also please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such Infosys and other company related information. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do share with your friends and also with everyone. That's it. Thank you.